Now, Videoleap is also a mobile. Yes, it can be used on mobile and can also be used on PC. It's designed for social media creators. It offers a range of tools and effects to create eye-catching videos that stand out on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. You can see the AI Infinity Zoom feature. Really, really good. And then just so many. We have access to the latest AI tools, so many things. So we give it a 6 out of 10 because it's a fun, accessible mobile data with lots of creative potential, but it lacks some advanced features found in other apps. So it's a good option for quickly creating eye-catching videos on the go. You can see what just happened there. You can see. Then I say can also remove objects from video with AI. So just for the features. But anyway, so the for the price enter the monthly plan and yearly plan is not free. The monthly plan is $9.99 per month and the yearly plan is $69.99 per month. Then so it comes I'll say some features require in-app purchases and you are limited editing tools compared to other apps.